Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to prevent ransomware attacks. 5 best practices. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your data and demands on a ransom payment in exchange for the decryption key. Introduction. Ransomware attacks can be devastating for businesses and individuals alike. They are becoming increasingly common. There is no guaranteed way to prevent ransomware attacks, but there are a number of things you can do to reduce risks. Here are the 5 best practices for preventing ransomware attacks. Educate your employee. Ransomware attacks often start with a phishing email, so it is important to educate your employees about how to identify and avoid phishing emails. You should also train your employees on how to respond to a ransomware attack. Keep your software up to date. Software developers regularly release security updates to patch vulnerabilities that could be exploited by ransomware attacks. It is important to install these updates as soon as they are available. Use a strong password and multi-factor authentication. A strong password and multi-factor authentication make it more difficult for ransomware attackers to gain access to your system. Backup your data regularly. If you are infected with ransomware and you have recent backup your data, you can restore your data without having to pay ransomware. It is important to store backup offline so that they cannot encrypted by ransomware. Have a ransomware incidents to response in plan. A ransomware incident response in plan will outline the steps you need to take if you are infected with ransomware. This plan can help you to minimize the damage caused by attacks to recover your data as quickly as possible. There are some additional tips for preventing ransomware attack. Be careful about what attachment you open. Only open attachment from trusted senders. Be careful about what website you visit. Avoid visiting websites that are known to distribute malware. Using a firewall antivirus software. A firewall can help to block unauthorized access to your network, and antivirus software can help you to detect and remove malware. Keep your operating system application up to date. Software developers regularly release security updates to patch vulnerabilities that could be exploited by ransomware attacks. It is important to keep these updates as soon as they are available. Use a strong password and multi-factor authentications. A strong password and multi-factor authentication make it more difficult for ransomware attacks to gain access to your systems. Backup your data regularly. If you are infected with ransomware and you have a recent backup of your data, you can restore your data without having to pay the ransom. And it is important to store a backup offline so that they cannot be encrypted by ransomware. Have a ransomware incident response in plan. A ransomware incident response in plan will outline the steps you take to if you are infected with ransomware. This plan can help you to minimize the damage caused by the attack and to recover your data as quickly as possible. In conclusion, by following these best practices, you can reduce the risks of being infected with ransomware. However, it is important to remember that there is no guaranteed way to prevent ransomware attack. If you are infected with ransomware, it is important to have a plan in place to respond to the attack to recover your data. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.